Friday, and this is just very simply, Roman, is essentially, well, I'll show you where I entered here on the spring. But beforehand, what I wanted to really talk about is that we're in a downtrend, and I can see the market is breaking areas of structure. Okay, so we break down here, good supply coming into the market. We hold, we come back up to this level, and it holds. We come back down. We break through this level of support, and we trade under it. We're unable to bounce off this level of support. But then what I notice is coming down, Roman, I've noticed that we got these big widespread down bars towards the end of these moves. So we get this big widespread down bar. Doesn't really achieve anything, but then we fall under. Then we get a big widespread down bar. Again, doesn't achieve anything, but here we hold straight away and we rally. Here we get a big widespread down bar. We dip, we don't go anywhere. Then we have a spring. Now, again, look at the volume in the spring. This is a very simple trade. We dip down to reverse and close firm. Again, there's no downside continuation. But what I like about this is this action over here is here when we spring, or technically we spring on the second bar, we get momentum coming in straight away. But here, what do we do after the spring? We test. We're testing here before we move on higher. And that's telling me, this little bit of information after here is telling me, we're testing directly after the spring, which means we have a good potential that we could break kind of these highs over here. But then we push on up, Roman. Now, this is something I always talk about. We get a good, nice sign of strength bar, breaks above this resistance level. And I draw in this little dash one just to take note. So I see a slight change here, Roman. I see this spring, we're unable to test down here to the supply line. Then we have this testing action directly after the spring. I like to see that. Then we get a sign of strength bar. We come to resistance. That's okay. We expect to find selling at here. And look how we react. And I always talk about, what do we want to see in the reaction? Well, we want to see spreads decline, evidence of demand, and supply to dry up. So here, the market gives you 3 additional opportunities, which is quite rare. 3 chances to buy here, and buy here at this support level. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful areas to carry on for the continuation trade here.